Spanish rambutan. Mmm! Ayo! Tastes like... Wait, guys. I'm gonna show you this. You see? You see it? So good. My friend Natasha, she let me try it once when we were working together before. Look, look. Hey, quiet man. Oh. Dapat to. Look. Yeah! Spanish rambutan. Has big seed inside. You just suck it. It's tart. It's not too sweet, but I like it. Ano ba kalasa dito? It's not rambutan because rambutan is sweet.
This mango tastes different.
It is good.
Yeah, what kind of mango is this?
May kalasa to eh. What does this taste like in Philippine in the Philippine fruit?
I don't know. I haven't even tried it yet.
Okay.
This one doesn't taste like mango. This one.
I like it na po to. It tastes something. It tastes similar to a Filipino fruit, but like Ayo! Tastes like santol. Tastes like santol. Santol is kind of sweet. Sometimes sour. Tastes like a santol, but it looks like Spanish rambutan. So good. It's a good snack. Bye!